Hello everyone, welcome to another wonderful time on this channel where I'll be sharing with you tips for running your photography business. So many people delving into the photography industry right now, they lack certain knowledge or skill in actually running a successful photography brand. Stay with me on this video as I will be giving you quality tips you can use to apply in running a successful photography brand. Stay tuned and watch out. Alright, welcome back. As we all know, I have said it, the tips for running a photography brand. This video will give you exclusive insights that will help you to apply the tips I'm about sharing with you. So grab your notepad. Meanwhile, don't forget to like this video, click the notification bell not to miss out on other videos, and most importantly, subscribe also. First thing you need to know in actually running a successful or a startup photography business, the basic is you should know how to shoot. That is the number one thing. Knowing how to shoot comprises of you knowing your camera and your settings, knowing the production value of your camera and its capability, the knowledge you need to know, and your exposure triangle, the settings that involves the exposure triangle, which boils down to the aperture, the shutter speed, and the ISO. Yes, having the knowledge of these functionalities of this part so is a kickstart into the photography business you are actually in or looking forward to go into. The next thing is for you to understand your lights. This is actually a subheading under the main heading, knowing how to shoot. So understanding your lights involves you knowing how to place your lights, because light plays a very important role in photography. So light is a very vital and important part to be understood in knowing how to shoot under starting out the photography business. The next thing is to know how to choose the background and the foreground. Yes, when you know how to choose the background and foreground, your pictures will always come out looking good because you actually know what should be in the background of a particular subject and what you should use as foreground, creating depth for your photography. The next thing is to develop a niche, but you shouldn't be limited to that niche, because as a photographer, in whatsoever niche you are in, it is wise and good for you to actually have interest in other parts of photography. The business I get most times from event photography doesn't come always, so I have interest in other parts such as fashion editorials, beauty, portraits, and street photography. Those are the things I'm interested in, so I venture into it. So that is what I expect from you, because it's what I've done. Don't be limited to your particular niche. Have other areas of photography you are interested in, so that they can actually serve in bringing you business also when your main niche is falling short. The next thing for you to do after knowing how to shoot, running a successful photography business, is invest in good starter equipment. Have a budget, do a research on the camera quality you need that matches your budget, and go forward in getting it. An example is what I did when I was starting out my photography business. After gaining the required skill, I actually had a budget and I did proper research, and I got a camera that has served me for the past 4 years up till now, and the maintenance culture I've applied kept it going. It's 700D Canon. It's actually durable, strong, and it renders quality images. Starting small and growing big is a required thing to know how to do in this business of photography. So do your research. If you have a budget, start with a good equipment that matches your budget, and having knowledge of how to use that equipment is key. The next tip is for you to get insurance for those equipment. Yes, we don't want to fall short of anything that will happen to our equipment, so in case anything happens, we need to get our gears insured. Yes, so that we can also be in business when certain circumstances arise that hit or affect our equipment or gears. The next thing you should actually know how to do is to have a right attitude. Starting out photography business, you actually need to be friendly. You should attract clients with your attitude. Yes, and another thing you should know how to do is to keep your clients at ease. you should actually respond to them in due time, over deliver on the job, and actually be present in their events. When you're booked for any session, be present. Your mind shouldn't be outside while your physical body is there. Try to focus and deliver quality for your clients, as it will turn to give you value and bring you more recommendations too in the business of photography. Another tip you should look out for is create a compelling portfolio. Yes, this portfolio, you can make it to be reachable to clients either by cloud storage links or social media or even your website. Clients should be able to access your portfolio in a particular niche or service they want through these mediums I have mentioned: social media, websites, cloud storage links, PDFs, whatsoever you can, but make it available to your clients. And the way to create a portfolio, if you haven't created one, is by collaborating with creatives in your industry. In whatsoever industry you are, the event photography, the fashion editorial, or whatsoever, try and work with people in that industry so as to create portfolio. The next thing you should look out for is to design a price package list. Build a package price list with your deliverables on it and make sure you stick to it. Whenever clients calls or look out for your services or what you can do, they should have that list to go through and look out for the price that fits their budget well and book you for a particular service they have seen on your price or package list. Don't compromise on it, don't discount except for extreme important reasons, but you should have this to actually build a solid photography business. The next, you should work with your local vendors. Local vendors such as event planners, DJs, MCs, people in the line of business you are in as a photographer. Work with them, have the right attitude so that they will bring you more businesses, because when you work with people like this, you are most likely to get referrals from them, especially event planners, as it's vice versa. The next tip you should actually take out: know how to sell. You should develop a unique selling proposition, and you should actually use online campaigns and ads to target clients that can book for your services. Though it might be slow starting out, but continuous commitment to these mediums or tips will give you an edge and your business will actually blossom. The next tip for you to know is you should be smart about your time. Yes, time is money, and know that whatsoever art you create in your photography brand, in your niche, whatsoever niche, you shouldn't give it out for free. Charge for every art you create, no matter how small. And the next one and the last is continue to learn. Try out different techniques and equipment. Push yourself, carry out projects, collaborate with other creatives or photographers in your industry, and attend gigs, go out to events, network with industry professionals. That is how your brand can be up there. People can know you for who you are, for the service or niche you are good at, and bring more business your way. So with these tips, I hope you succeed and your business in photography goes to the next level this year, 2023. Hope this video has brought you enough value. Don't forget to leave a comment down the comment section and let me know the tip that works best with you, or you want to add to these tips. It's very welcome. Also, like this video, click on the notification bell and subscribe to this channel as I keep bringing you quality value for your skill in photography, brand or business. See you next time, and bye for now.